Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll go through the basic project setup for the automation of employee ID generation app or website. So let me go through the initial setup. So just I have created a project in UiPath Studio, a robot employee ID generation app. You can see the project which have been created over here, and just click on main.xaml. It will open the workspace for you where we can add our activities to form the process. Before moving on to the next step, just we will check whether the extensions are enabled for this UiPath. For that, just go to Home. Under the Tools, you can see all the extensions available for the UiPath. Just click on Chrome because I'm going to automate the website through Chrome. So just click on Chrome. Once you click on Chrome, it will open a window where you can see whether the Chrome extension is already enabled or not. Since I have already enabled Chrome extension, so it's showing over here the UiPath extension for Chrome was successfully installed for the current user. I just click on OK. Otherwise, you will be presented with a different window where you can enable Chrome extensions for UiPath Studio. So let me go back to our workplace. All right, we have created our workspace over here. So we need to start with the adding activities. So for that adding activities, we need to select activities panel. From the activities panel, we have to select sequence. So sequence I can see under the favorites and also under the recent tab. Since I have added sequence activity as a favorite, so it's coming under the favorites as well. Otherwise, you can search from the search bar as well. So right now, I'll just drag and drop the sequence onto the workspace. So I just added a sequence to my workspace. Alright, we are ready with basics project setup, and let me walk through our website, the employee ID generation website, which we are going to automate. Let me move on to Chrome window. I'll just click on restore the website. Yeah, it's opening up. Okay, so this is the simple website I have created for the automating the process for this demo. HR onboarding process, a new registration form where admin will enter username and mobile number and date of birth, and also select gender as well, and some terms it has to accept, and click on submit. Once you click on submit, it will generate the employee ID and also email ID based on the first name and last name. So I have selected some of the specific controls like the radio button and checkbox and also text box as well. So we have to automate this process, and also we need to display this employee ID and the email in the message box using UiPath automation. Yeah, thank you for watching this video.